Breaking news on Monday, May 3rd, former class of 2025 star wide receiver Jordan Johnson posted on Instagram that he would be transferring from Notre Dame. Here is what he put out in his release. I want to say thank you to Coach Kelly, Coach Reese, Coach Alexander, Coach Bayless, and the entire Notre Dame staff for giving me the opportunity to go to school and play football at the University of Notre Dame. I am grateful for all that I've learned both academically and on the football field. I want to give a special shout out to my teammates. You are my brothers for life, and the relationships we built are very important to me. After saying that, I want to announce that I will be putting my name in the transfer portal. I am looking for a fresh start and look forward to seeing what is next for me. Johnson played in the blue-gold game just 2 days ago on May 1st and was targeted once but did not have a reception. There were very high hopes for Johnson as a true freshman, struggled to break into the two deep. And after spring ball, it's pretty apparent that he felt like it was best to take his talents elsewhere. This graphic that he put out on Instagram was clearly made by Notre Dame. It has the Notre Dame text font, clearly looks like the Fighting Irish media team made this. He was ranked as the number 28 overall recruit in the country in that 2020 class per Rivals, number 5 wide receiver in the country, and the number 1 player from Missouri. Helped lead St. Louis de Smet High School to a 14-0 season in 2019, just 2 years prior. The de Smet was 1-9, and that was in 2017. Productive prep career, caught 83 passes for 1,963 yards and 27 touchdowns. Again, high hopes for Johnson going into his Notre Dame career, lofty goals, but just clearly wasn't working out, and Johnson again announcing his transfer from Notre Dame. And looking at what's left at receiver on the scholarship chart, plenty of young guys. Lorenzo Styles, Jaden Thomas, Deion Colsey, Jay Brunell, Xavier Watts, all guys with 4 years of eligibility left. And then you have some older players, Kevin Austin, Lawrence Keys, Braden Lindsey, Joe Wilkins Jr., and Avery Davis. It's not the biggest shock in the world to see Jordan Johnson transferring from Notre Dame, but the timing is a little bit surprising, maybe I'll say. Didn't think it would be this soon after spring ball, thought maybe see what happens in fall camp, but again, Jordan Johnson transferring from Notre Dame. Make sure you let us know in the comment box of this video what your thoughts are about this transfer and what's next for the receiver position at Notre Dame.